Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify ARM terms with Wells Fargo Mortgage Tools, full guide step by step clearly. To verify ARM terms with Wells Fargo Mortgage Tools, start by visiting the Wells Fargo website. Locate the mortgage section on the home page. Click on the link for adjustable rate mortgages, often abbreviated as ARMs. Read through the descriptions of the ARM options available. Select the specific ARM product you want to learn more about. Look for the detailed terms and conditions provided for that ARM product. Pay special attention to the interest rate adjustments and any caps associated with them. Next, use the mortgage calculator provided on the website to estimate potential payments. Input your desired loan amount and term to generate an estimate. Adjust the interest rates to see the impact of potential fluctuations. Make note of the initial rate period and how long it lasts before adjustments begin. Consider the overall costs, including any fees or closing costs that may apply. If needed, gather additional information by clicking on links for frequently asked questions. Explore any educational resources available, such as articles or videos that explain ARMs further. If you have specific questions, consider using the contact options to reach a Wells Fargo representative. Once you have all the information, compare the ARM product to fixed-rate options to determine the best fit for your needs. Document any insights or findings you gathered during this process. Finally, ensure you are comfortable with the terms before moving forward with your mortgage application. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.